Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI inside VSCode. First, open VSCode, then click the extensions icon on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Klein and install the extension. Once that's done, go to the Anthropic website. The link is in the description below. Sign up or log in, and you'll see a dashboard like this. Next, open the sidebar menu. Go to Settings, then API Keys. Click Create API Key, give it a name, and copy the key. Now head back to VSCode. Click on Klein Settings, then choose Use API Key. From the drop-down, select Anthropic, paste your API key, and press OK. And that's it. You've successfully connected Claude AI to VSCode. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.